Yeah, I say, good morning, Jamaica. Good morning to my Gaza fans. Good morning to the Gaza Nation. Well, I say, yo, hear me? You know, God got one good artist, yeah, but means so some of them can um do things off of their own. Because there's a time in a dancehall and them turn to cartel and if you call him name and style him and diss him up. For him answer them, for push for them song, which part it want go. That's what I say. Yeah. A cartel are the energy, you know. And the energy god. A cartel are the man who make every song get highlight. You see what I say? Yeah. So when them have a style cartel now, the cartel answer them. Because the song when you miss a dead. There's no way me see that this Gaza fans. In no way at all. So Gaza Nation to top worry themselves and top fret. You see what I say? Because cartel way more harder than that. Way more better than that. A Gaza till death, you know. Yeah, I don't know. Switching thing or run go say yeah. Yeah, I say this and then. When another side I go and by the jump and say that. I got me say till death. You see me I say straight. Me say Almighty God till death, you know. But I got me say in the music world. That's what I say straight. So God upon stop worry, stop fret. And no matter one down me not show my face. You know, don't know what the one done that. I mean I have no clothes so I can't expose myself. You see me I say straight. So when I stop worrying yourself, all you have to do I for just read between the line. Cartel appeal come up. You see what I say? And him can't afford to go look now war with a dancer artist now. To go make things bad for him. Because the war with Popcorn and Movado. I feel this that war make them push back the man. I feel way back down. You see what I say? You see me way down. Cause it should be February gone. And it gone way down back. So people read between the lines. Some of these artists don't really want Cartel come on road, you see me? Yeah. Them don't want him for free. So them will do anything to start up a war with him and get him to say something. I get to say what in him or try to dry him out then. And then now these things help to push him back further down if he can't come out. When I read between the lines, you saw me I say, yeah. A Gaza me say till death. Me no care where nobody wants it. And Gaza Nation stop fret. Cause Cartel have it. Him a the dancer king, dancer icon. You saw me I say, straight.